This video will show you how to replace an acrylic plate bench of a Q18. The following tools are required to perform this maintenance: a flathead screwdriver and the Ultrasun Smart Hands. Before you begin, make sure you always disconnect the machine from power. We recommend performing the process with 2 people. Use the flathead screwdriver to flip the side strip loose. Then remove the entire strip. Place one Ultrasun Smart Hand on one side of the plate. Then pull the plate towards yourself. The plate is now loose from the profile at the back. You can carefully take it out with 2 people. You can now perform any maintenance. In case of installing a new acrylic plate, first remove the protective film. Slide the plate into the profile at the back. Carefully lay the plate in place. Press the strip into the groove on one side and carefully press it into place. When the strip is almost fully placed, first press the end of the strip into place, and then press the upstanding part until you hear a click. You have now successfully replaced the acrylic plate bench. For more instruction, go to ultrasuninternational.com.